doTERRA's tea tree essential oil is one that I could never do without within my first aid kit, and here's why. Tea tree is a very clean essential oil. It's great for purifying the air, it's antiseptic for the skin, it's cleansing to the environment, and it smells that way. It smells light, fresh, slightly herbaceous. It's steam distilled from the plant itself and has been used for hundreds of years for those properties. When applied topically, tea tree promotes a healthy complexion and reduces the appearances of skin blemishes. And this is due to tea tree's high concentration of monoterpene alcohol, terpenine, which has been researched extensively as a topical solution for several skin conditions. Tea tree can be used for purifying and cleansing the skin. I use it in my nighttime skin routine by adding 1 drop to my cleanser and massaging it into my face. It feels really purifying and it doesn't dry out my skin, it just feels fresh and clean. You could also use it as a spot treatment. doTERRA has something called the tea tree touch. And touch just means that it's pre-diluted in fractionated coconut oil that you could just put directly on spot treatments wherever you need it. It's great for respiratory support, sinuses, opening up anything that's clogged. So anytime anyone sends me a message about what to do because they feel really stuffy, I tell them, get your steam cup. The steam cup is really simple. You basically take a cup and just pour hot water in there. Not too hot, but just so that you can breathe in the steam. And then you add 1 drop each tea tree, peppermint, lemon, and oregano. And then you just inhale that steam and let it open up the nasal passages. You can put a towel around your head and breathe it in like that. If you wear contact lenses, please take them out because it really is an intense steam and it can feel uncomfortable. For little ones, it's pretty strong, so I would have them be pretty far away and breathe that in. But for adults, I just put my whole head in there and let it do its job, and I feel so cleaned out and clear. Tea tree is also great for healthy feet and nails. If you've ever picked up something from the gym floor walking around barefoot or getting a pedicure where they were supposed to have a really great clean habit, but somehow you picked up some foot funk, then you can soak your feet in tea tree oil. So you can make a foot bath with some nice warm water, some Epsom salts, and a few drops of tea tree, and just put your feet in there. You can add some peppermint if you want it to really wake up and refresh and invigorate, but tea tree will help keep those nails and feet clear. Now, if you want to use it for an extended period of time and you don't want to do a foot bath every night, just put it in a roller bottle and roll that on your hands and then massage it into your feet every night. Tea tree soothes irritated skin. We can use it on bumps, bruises, cuts. So you can make a little spray bottle with a spray head like this with 10 drops each of lavender, frankincense and tea tree, and fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil and then just spray it on any bumps, cuts or bruises. It works really great. It's a natural antiseptic and promotes that soothing of the irritated skin. Tea tree also helps for healthy scalps. So if you have any type of flaky scalp or anything that is uncomfortable or sensitive, it's great to put 1 drop of tea tree with your shampoo and massage it into your scalp to help with flakiness. It feels really great. You can make your own household or homemade cleaners with tea tree because it's such a great natural cleanser. It's super simple. You can take any type of glass bottle with a spray top and fill it with about a third white vinegar and the rest with water, and then add essential oils. I would do 20 drops each of tea tree and lemon. It just smells really fresh and clean, and it's a nice natural cleanser that you can use to clean your countertops, surfaces, and even glass. You can use tea tree for a natural deodorant. So you can actually roll the tea tree touch directly under your armpits and use it like a natural deodorant. Or you can get really creative and make your own deodorants. Tea tree just has that natural antiseptic and cleansing properties, and it smells fresh. You could add additional oils like lavender if you like that calming floral smell, or frankincense if you're more of an earthy person. I really like that earthy grounding smell of those tree oils. Tea tree is great at purifying the air. You could use it in your diffuser. I like adding anything with citrus and tea tree. It smells clean, it smells fresh. So you can add a couple drops of tea tree and then maybe lemon, grapefruit, or wild orange, and just have it fill the space and really smell clean. Tea tree repels pests for healthy hair. And I'm talking about back to school hair, where your kids are sharing hair ties and brushes, and they come home with those little bugs or pests that make your head itch and you want to scratch. So you can make a back to school spritz with a 215 ml bottle, adding approximately 10 drops of each tea tree, rosemary and lavender, and fill the rest with water. It smells delicious. And all those oils have properties that will repel those pests. And you can just spritz it on the hair every day before school, comb it through, and not have a worry about it. So those are just a few of the uses of tea tree. If you have some favorite uses that I didn't mention, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you need doTERRA wholesale pricing, you can get it at 25% off retail with no monthly commitments or any minimum order requirements. You can order from the link below, or if you need help ordering, you can send me an email and I will get into contact with you and gladly assist you with your order. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.